Sefton is the largest privately owned sailboat in the world, and her owner sees her as the modern incarnation of the old clipper ships of the 19th century. But Maltese Falcon would fly past her predecessors. Her speed comes from the modern materials and technology used to build her at a shipyard in Turkey. Her American owner, Tom Perkins, made his career in high-tech industries and took a hands-on approach to the design, outside and in.
The feeling I tried to achieve in this boat is sort of luxury machine. I'm not trying to disguise the fact that it's a high-tech machine. Lots of complexity in this boat, but it's rather like, I think, a top-end Porsche or Ferrari, where you see metal, you see carbon fiber, but you also have fabric, leather, wool, and luxurious soft materials. So that's sort of the feeling we wanted to have here. This is a model. I used to have many Bugattis, still have some. And that's just a ceramic model of one of my favorite Type 35B racing cars. When I have children aboard, I can push a button and that model will disappear down into that table and be covered by glass. One of the most extraordinary parts of the boat is, we call this the atrium, but this whole area is just wide open and very airy, and yet the central mast is coming down through here, and all the forces are transmitted from the mast to the hull through this area. But we try to make it light and airy. We have glass floor. You can see my shark swimming down there. You can also stand here and look all the way to the top of the mast. So this is, I think, one of the most unusual features of this yacht, is the openness and the feeling of air and space.
Was this very difficult to achieve, this boat?
Oh, yes. There was nothing easy on this boat. I designed the masts and provided the masts and sailing system. I made them myself because this is so high-tech, nobody would touch it. This is entirely new. This has not been used anywhere else. And what you can see, these are the two fundamental controlling panels. We're looking down from the top, so this is the foremast, the main mast, the mizzen mast, and this is the wind direction coming in. I push start. Now the mast is beginning to rotate. You can see the mast is turning.
The rig is based on a German government design from the 1960s called the Dyna rig. It means the yacht can sail close to the wind, faster than the old clipper ships.
A lot of people have speculated that I would try to break some of the clipper ship records, and maybe I might try to break the New York to San Francisco record, but I don't particularly think I will, because the computer says we can do it. So why bother?
With or without records, Perkins' clipper yacht is a unique achievement, and one guaranteed to attract attention wherever she sails.